to be successful, you need to live by influence. But to be able to have influence, you need to be able to inspire people.
Okay.
Ngoba ungeke uba influence abantu that you can't inspire. My big objective, and ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu because Etiko Commerce, he has blessed me with very talented people, including the parastatals list now. I'm not suggesting it's perfect, but he has blessed me with very talented people. Uma ngikhuluma nabo baka-IPA ngisho ukuthi no, the trade fair has to be the biggest event in the year and the best event in the year. Event. Baku-understand lo, baku-embrace lo, and nguwe fakazi nesive siyasho ukuthi i-trade fair is back. I-glory ye-trade fair lebe siyathi isikhula is back.
Exactly. Mbukele ekhaya namhla ehlelweni lwenu lenilithandzako Public Insight Reloaded. Mina Gcina Thalalisa Dlamini. Sihloniphekile namhla sivakashelwe indvuna Minister of Commerce, Trade, Industry and Trade Mancoba Khumalo. Siyakuvusela mhlonishwa.
Sivukile Nkosi, sinevani.
Udawusifela mhlonishwa.
Sivusele neba bukeli.
Mhlonishwa, dasicela mhlonishwa la Swatini usungathi babe ingcondo bese esikhulwini manje sezivele zifake nje lo mhlonishwa sibide eligaba lesibongo.
Kwento njalo.
Bakaze bazi bese sibida sikhulu.
Kunjani?
Siyabonga mhlonishwa siyathokota kuba nawe. Mhlonishwa start kumbe singaqali ukukhulumisana ngesingakhulumisana ngako sithi mhlonishwa zakuthule nje ukuthi umhlonishwa Mancoba Khumalo umbani wokutsabuka kuphi. Simbona emabhodini amakhulu emhlaba. Mhlambe ufika njani lapho mhlonishwa uma nalijali lincane lisekhaya liyayithanza impilo yaKhumalo liyafisa kuba njengaKhumalo.
Nkosi, kithi kuselwandle kaManzini. Kepha-ke sibekutsabuka ekwenzeni kaHlatsi. Lapho khona nami ingaba yami khona kwakhanya ukuthi ngikwanzisa teacher babe wasuya ukhonda la elwandle kaManzini. Lapho-ke ngikhulele khona nami lapho ngithi-ke kusekhaya. Ngafunza-ke kaManzini lapha kuthiwa khona kuseSalesian e-primary nase-high school khona. Kepha-ke grade 1 na grade 2 ngamfunza eSalem. Le lapha ngithi ingaba yami yakhona. Wathi-ke lo mdzala masakhonta-ke la elwandle ngase ngiyasuka ngiyofunda la eSalesian. Ngicede-ke kufunza khona eSalesian High School ngase ngiya e-University yaKaNgwane. Lapho ngifike ngafunza khona i-Bachelor of Science. Ngenta-ke i-biology ne-chemistry as my majors khona. Ngathi-ke mangiceda-ke ngathola lithuba ukuyawufundisa for just over a year lekini eNtondozi esikoleni ekuthiwa kuseMvimbeko. Ngisafundisa-ke ngase ngithola umsebenzi kaKhonkho ukuthi ngiyawusebenza elaboratory khona. Lapho khona bengiyi-laboratory chemist nga-analyzer-ke lama products onke lawa labawaproduce-ako. Ngagcina-ke ngifika lapho khona ngibuka ukuthi yes, i-science ngiyayithanza ngifunze yona, i-chemistry ngiyayithanza ngisebenta yona futhi bengu-enjoy umsebenzi wami, but ngafuna ku-understanda le business yonke nje ukuthi isebenza njani le business. ngase-ke ngiyacela kubaphathi bami ukuthi uma kunelithuba lokuthi ngiphume la laboratory ngoba konke lokwenziwa khona after 2 years bese ngikwadi ngifunze the rest of the business. Kwakhanya ukuthi-ke bayajabula bangithatha-ke bangifundzisa ibhizinisi. Ngaphuma elaboratory ngase ngena-ke on the operational side of the business. Ngabona ukuthi kufuneka ukuthi ngiphinde ngichubeke ngifunze ngento i-business administration. Leta ngifundisa ukuthi wafunza njani ama-financials. Ikufundisa ukuthi usakha njani i-strategy. Ikufundisa ukuthi how do you grow a company, how do you develop a business case. Ngakwenda-ke konke lokho-ke ngagcina-ke sengisebenza vele ngi-executive yakhona. Bangithatha-ke ngiyawusebenza nge-share endaweni etiningi. Ngagcina-ke ngicala kuphatha eCanada lapho khona kwaba kucala ukuthi ngibe ngu-MD khona. Lapho ngasebenza-ke khona kwaze kwavela lesikhala-ke sa-MD laKaNgwane. Base bangibuyisa-ke ukuthi ngiyoba ngu-MD laKaNgwane. Kwase ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kwaphinde kwavela isikhala lesifana nako naso leso e-Ireland, but obviously kuya ngekhula lama-responsibilities. Ngase ngiyakhona-ke bengisebenza khona-ke mangabe live limbita ukuthi asale ngiyita ngidawuba ngu-Minister waka-Commerce, Industry and Trade. Cishe ngiwona mlandvo lomfishane lengingakuniketa wona wamanqoba Khumalo.
Ya, siyabonga Mdunga, muhle lo mlando. Ucala usebenza eCanada, usebenza nabamhlophe, ubaphethe abamhlophe. Injani isimo, awukhobosekini kuba mnyama kuya naseveni elincane?
Ngathi ngesilungu I was pleasantly surprised because lengakuthola lapho ngeke ngasebenza khona emavele ngiwasebenzile ngeke ngasebenza as you know e-Ireland. Ngasebenza kabili e-Ireland. Ngaqale ngasebenza nga-2005 lokho sengiphindze ngibuyela-ke nga-2016 maqala 2016. Ngasebenza eCanada njengoba uyibekisa nje, ngasebenza eAmerica. Ngake ngasebenza la ngelive nje elincane kuthiwa iPuerto Rico likuma-Caribbean Islands. Lengakufunza lapha ukuthi emsebentini ikakhulu ku-private sector bantu bakujaja nge-content ye-contribution yakho. Mabava ngathi u-contributor meaningfully, they respect you. Ngabe ngicambe manga ngiyeke ngibevela abanye bathi i-racism kwasha kwacima bengingaphathi mina cha ngaba nenhlanhla nje. Konke la bengisebenza khona cha bebangiphatha kahle ngoba bewukhanza ukuthi lo msebenzi uyadikhuluma.
Ndo. Nale live lapha endeka kahle mntu ngathi uchama event enjani noma kusithi into bakunaka la bekunene bosebenza nabo.
Bebangalathi le live. Bebacala lokuliva nje masufika bathi ngikuphi la usho khona. Bese uyabakhomba lapha emamephini bese bathi hawo. Thina besicabanga ukuthi lokhu lidolobha eSouth Africa siqalive le. Bese-ke kuyalisita live ngoba sebayalithanza sebayalati benhle ngaba nebantu abami la ngisebenza khona sebakhona-ke ukuxoxa ngelive ukhanze ukuthi vele kuyalisita live ukuthi latiwe.
Mdunga nako emakhosi siyakucela ukuthi utawubuya ekhaya noma singathi konke but mawukhashane ungabuka ukuthi tibalo emadola vis-a-vis nemalangeni. Uvumiswa yini Mdunga? Kuyavunywa yini kuyaliwa? Ubukela njani lokuthi ukhona ukusebenza effective uma kumbe sekwehlena lokungena ekhaya kubantu bakhe?
Ngaqala ngokuthi ngingakabidwa ukuthi into okungenela ipolitiki bengike ngalithola lithuba lekuhlonishwa ngemakhosi ukuthi ngifakwe ebhodini yakatibiyo. Ngingakayi nje e-Ireland bengisebhodini yakatibiyo iminyaka cishe lemibili. Kuphindze futhi-ke nale nkampani yakaKhonko lebekuyona ngiyiphethe beyine-routine solinayo nanyalo ukuthi bahle bawubika nje ukuthi umsebenzi uhamba njani ngoba inkampani lenkulu evele labadzala evele bahle bafuna lokuva nje ukuthi kusahamba kahle yini uhulumende langakwenda kuchubeka kuyisekela njengoba benda naletinye tinkampani. So kwakhanya ukuthi mhlawumbe-ke kwa-create le exposure kubo abantu labadzala kanti mina ngiboni ngicabanga nje siyasebenza. Seke mase kufika lelo thuba lelo ukuthi sekuphuma simemedelo ukuthi inkosi seyibulele naba ukuthi bayoba ngema-senators. So umuntu uyayi-understanda le culture yelive laKaNgwane nekuthi sikhuliseke kahle ekhaya, sikhuliseke kahle nasemangweni kuba beshifu Nkamane lo wathatha kuba beshifu Sikali. Uyati uma uswati ukuthi makuthiwa uyezwa nabi kusho ukuthini, awube sokuthi hhayi mina ngisenta kwekuthi. So-ke letindzaba tetimali nako konke azange kuba relevant kule discussion ngoba kufana nokuthi uthi njenganyalo nje uma ngingashaya babe athi ufike ekhaya eNzambama ngeke bese ngimtshela tinganekelwane ukuthi cha ngibhizi, cha utawukhuluma kuba bhizi sobuya ekhaya.
So kwaba into le injani le-environment Mhlonishwa sowungenile kupolitiki, injani le-environment ubuya ngale and most of positions obese uba kuwe ekugcineni more like a decision making person ngala politiki iningi le-structures letilwa nokuthi ube i-decision maker even if you are a minister ukumene njani lokhu Mhlonishwa. Lakithi-ke kunalama-two structures nale-traditional langanenzaba ukuthi mfana u-activate empilweni they still call you a boy even if ukulawo ma-position labo kanti nabo bane-influence kule political system yethu.
No, absolutely. Ngiyawuthaza lo mbuto wakho because one of the things that became immediately obvious game kwaba ukuthi le model lesebendako ku-private sector ikakhulu in the international global space ngoba le nkampani bengiyisebenzela was a global giant. So ukhanza ukuthi nalama principles ekusebenta kwakha strategy to grow the business, to grow the people of the business, konke lokho ne-performance ye-business ku-based kuma-international best practices. Kahulumende kuhlukile kakhulu. Kunemithetho nje leshoko ukuthi kutawuphonyethwa abani ngoba wafika kucala. So ukhanza ukuthi wena uva ngathi umuntu longangifikisa lapha kulabantu ekubabonako nginami la ngibuya khona mina ngiloyo-ke bese uthola indlela ukuthi mase ba-interviewile umsekele ukuthi ungachubeka yena ngoba la ufuna kufika khona uyabona ukuthi nangilolo ngangifikisa khona. Kahulumende akusinjalo. Kucala le decision leyo ayikho kuwe unguminister. Kucala nje lokwangishoka ayikho kuwe. Kwesibili lokuthi lo muntu utakufikisa lapha noma ngeke kudicide lo munye umuntu kepha kube nguwe lo lobheke ukuthi ufike khona. So kusho ukuthi-ke you need to change your leadership style. You lead more by influence than by position. Lengufundzile mina kulo 7 years nginguminister ukuthi wazama kulida ngeposition yakho you will be thoroughly embarrassed. Ngoba ngeke uwa-achievele ama-objectives akho kwekucala. Kwesibili you will not have ama-relationships letakusita kuloko zama kwena. So ulida nge-influence, urespecta labantu ngoba nabo bakulama positions because of the same system. So ngeke bese sowubabuka bona ukuthi Tsalalisa angimthanzi ngoba ngiva ngathi ayimsuit le position. Akusinza bayami leyo ngoba akusimi nekwemthetho welive lone final say. But I can influence. Mabe ngi-influence kahle I may be successful. But influence isho ukuthini ukuthi nibanengi ninele influence yabo lapha ku-influence wakho ngilolo kushito-ke mawubuta lo muntu ukuthi wakhanza kunjani ngalo ukuthi vele nalaba baneligunya labo nalaba baneligunya labo. So-ke to be successful you need to live by influence, but to be able to have influence, you need to be able to inspire people.
Okay.
Ngoba ungeke uba influence abantu that you can't inspire.
Mm.
So ke mina ngisebenza nje cishe ngalawo ma principles lamabili ukuthi bonke lengisebenza nabo nale baphasi kwelitiko lethu
Yes.
ba understand ukuthi this is my vision, this is where I want to go, please partner with me.
Okay.
Akusho ukuthi asibe nama hard conversations ngoba akusho ukuthi lokho kusho ukuthi umuntu makangasafika emsebenzini ngesikhathi angikhulumisi.
Yes.
Umuntu mamthume umsebenzi angawenda usamkhulumisi. But at the same time uyathi ukuthi you don't have absolute authority over these people. Yeah.
Siyabonga Mhlonishwa, ngicabanga sokunye nale exposure kumbe isitile Mhlonishwa in our system. Mhlambe ngakhuluma ngaloko direct. You may find ngokuthi ngoma angibute ngithi bulukhuni lobutholile ubumanage njani bokuthi enca position lobuya kuwo uthole ukuthi umuntu lotside akabi comfortable ukuthi usebenze phansi kwakhe. How do you manage that politics later and inferiority kind of character or nesimo nje sokuthi yathi uyasinza khumalo ubuye eCanada khumalo ubuya kuphi uve bangisebenza ukuthi yini ngathi angimukele kahle la kunebulukhuni la kunelitsaka leli ngathi ngcono kubele emuva.
Ngenhlanhla lenhle angase ngafika lapho ngiva kanjalo khona.
Okay.
Kepha ngikubonile kanengi lapho khona ukhandle ukuthi le complex lokhuluma ngayo ikhona.
Yes.
uNkulunkulu ngidathi ungisitile ngoba esikhathini lesiningi bonke la bengisebenza khona bokhaza ukuthi kune disadvantage thide nje lengidanayo.
Okay.
Ngiyaqala ukuthi mangicala nje kuphatha bengimncane.
Okay.
The first time ngi-appointwa eCanada ukuthi ngiyoba MD lapho bengi-MD khona bengina 35 onyaka.
Okay.
So ke and lomunye kungaba ukuthi bosukhulile but ma understand the context of that organization and its nature bekusho ukuthi ngimncane.
Yeah.
Actually kule leadership team lebengiphethe I was the youngest.
Okay.
And then njengokushido futhi bengilibala lehlukile. And then not only ukuthi ulibala lehlukile ubuya kangwane live nabangalati kangako.
True.
Labaningi bakhona the first question bebangibuta wona ukuthi so where did you go to school, in the US or in England? Ngithi cha ngafunza University of Eswatini. So because they thought there must be some reason you are here.
Okay.
Other than ukuthi ubuya phansi kami. So ke ngafunza lokho ukuthi it's my responsibility to make the next person comfortable.
Okay.
It's my responsibility ukuthi ngendelo lomunye umuntu eve shengathi I'm here to partner with you. I am not here kutoku ridicule noma kutoku klasa noma kutokutshengisa ukuthi kunjani. Lokho kuyendeka ngoba naturally kuyendeka nje uma ukhuluma lomunye umuntu ativele ungathi uyamklasa. Labanye bayakutshela nokukutshela.
Yes.
But ke lomunye you know uma ngabe kwendeka ngendlela lokhanza ukuthi it's unjustified wena nje umsebenzi wakho and you are being honest, truthful, diligent and collaborative. But
Yes.
lo muntu akakureceive, there's nothing you can do about that. There'll always be people like that. But ukhanza ukuthi if the majority of the people osebenza nabo uyabanika that respect. Kuvama ukuthi bese bantu baba comfortable bese babe uyathi mina bengicanga nje.
Okay.
Kanti sengiyabona ukuthi nje, and that has been my experience nala kahulumeni.
Okay. Okay. Ndonga ubonakala udlala ichaza lelikhulu ngesikhathi se-unrest in the country. Le politics boyilandzela yini usengale la corporate world wendwe loku-adopta uma wafika wakhaceka on the issues that were a challenge in the land, and you were among the first ubantu general, not even ministers, ministers labakhuluma ba defender the system. You had interviews that we saw badefenda le system ngendlela longabe ongathi uma ungathi umdzala lo muntu kule politiki yakangwane wenziwa yini lokuyibamba ugijima noma I want to assume ukuthi uma ungale ka-corporate world ungaba khona lokuncane bokuthi uliswati uhle ukufunda lokunye but usuke ufocus kakhulu i-company lokusebenzile tibuka ama-trends abo delivery acomparison kamhlaba wonke kude nje isikhathi sokusudlala ubuya ngala
kunjalo.
yes
Well, mhlambe kwekucala lekungakusho nje ngosi ukuthi given the same circumstances, I would do it again.
okay
Why? Because into lemcoka kakhulu kimi ngema-values.
okay
Uma ngabe ungithuma umsebenzi, ngavuma ukuthi ngidawenda lo msebenzi.
yes
Then ngivuma ukuthi ngidawenda lo msebenzi.
okay
Angisho ukuthi ngidawenda makulula.
okay
Angisho ukuthi ngidawenda ngoba mhlambe kumnanzi. Ngisho nje ukuthi ngidawenda lo msebenzi.
okay
Uma ngabe sekulukhuni, you must know that you can count on me ukuthi ngidawenda lo msebenzi.
okay okay
Ekhaya ngikhuliswe kanjalo.
okay
Nasesontweni la ngisonza khona ngakhuliswa kulenye elikhehla bekuthiwa nguSikhova Msini
okay
ekukholweni kwami.
yeah
Ngakhuliswa kanjalo. Nasemangweni ngikhuliswa kanjalo.
Okay.
Angadi lokho ukuthi uma ngabe sekushisa bese sofaka inhloko ukuthi ngidaphinde ngivele ngiyithanza le system mase kumnanzi.
yes
To me never ungathi kwaba personal ukuthi no inkosi ithi asende lo msebenzi
yes
ngafunga ngasho ngiyadikubula idifungo lengathi ifunga
okay
nasi ke isikhathi sokuthi idifungo sale
timelele
intimelele. So that was one. Number two, into lebe ingekho based eqinisweni noma ngaba ngu9 nithi siyavumelana ngalamangalawo.
yes
Mina mangikhona ngedwa
okay
ngidawumelana lengwadeko ukuthi kuqiniso.
okay
Yes. Ngoba the major issue ngaleso sikhathi bekungukuthi bekune parliament lebe move emotion
okay
kwekuthi akuguqulwe indvo letsite
yeah
and labo bantu labo banganikedwa lelo thuba.
okay
That was not something lebendawo bese ngiyabinza nje oh sengiyesaba ukukhuluma.
yes okay
It was just my nature to say no. Kahle kahle i-constitution ithi
okay
and kulapha bese sikhona constitution besila bese ngakafiki la
Kulo. Okay
bekungaba kuhle kube lendlela sihambe kahle yonke. But to answer you very briefly, it is just in my nature labo labasebenza nanyana ecabinet yakhulu naseparliament bayakwadi lokho ukuthi mangabe info ngibelievela kuyo ukuthi ikanje. And then I'm not going to pretend ukuthi akusiko kanjalo. And then ipolitiki ngisayifunza.
okay
But it was more my values than politics that led me to speak up. Nekuthi ke kimi kuba strange ukuthi singathi sibalandzeli bemanzini Wanderers.
noma bese Highland
Ngente mabonga ngabe sika Highland ngoba ngiyakwazi. Sibalandzeli bemanzini Wanderers.
yes
Benginguye mina. Ithi mase senkingeni le manzini Wanderers. Mhlambe kungase sipophula ukukhuluma ngayo noma kuyikhulumela. Bese ngiyabinza.
okay
But mase ibuyile seyiwina. Dlala wese. Akusikahle lokho.
oh yeah
Kukahle lokho ukuthi ngalesikhathi senkingeni bambamba. Sibabone labathi babalandzeli bemanzini Wanderers. Umuntu onjalo.
okay 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 cha Mntungwa siyabonga Mntungwa sikubonga Mntungwa singakangeni mhlambe ukuthi usinike isithombe sokuthi iministry lo isebenza kuyo yendalo nakucala uku-appreciate Mntungwa endzabeni yakho wakhuluma ngento bese sigcine kadzeni lesikhulu esiswa bobabe kuyo i-trade fair. Sibukela ibhola bese siyahanjiswa kumbe makuchamuka umdangalazo, but le bhola sasiyibukela and it was
bese ngisala ngemuva.
kwakude wabe sifakwe evenini so utasha wabona ubuye endleleni sikhuliswe ke. Now you said it with confidence ngokubuyisa isoccer uhlata sithi nje uthayibuyisa njani lento ngoba into yafa sangathi sife njani ngani. It was one tournament they enjoy remember those days double diffusal kebe bagijima like touchline mase kuma penalty showing. It was a very interesting now. Sakubona ukukhuluma yasiyendeka. Yini mntu ude unebangani bakho yini lokuthi senze amabhathini kwendeke ngoma kube ukuthi you want to bring life entertainment libe khona ku trade fair. Wakususa lapho lokho ufuna ukuqinisela ukuthi ABC must happen.
Kulokunye ngosi nje ukhulumile ukhanze ukuthi because of your career you have built a track record of achieving extraordinary things.
Okay.
And therefore ugcina solunalo leli masela ukuthi uma ngabe ngifuna kwenta into le mhlambi ibukeka ilikhulu uyenda njani. Bantu labanga-understandile ukuthi isikhathi lesinenge kuthatha isikhathi. Ndawubekisa nje sitawukhuluma ngako uma ufuna kusoma a good investor njengana Kellogg's siyabekisa ngayo.
Yes.
By the time sive sathi ukuthi kuna Kellogg's when we've been working behind the scenes for at least 2 years.
Okay.
And working hard. Kude lobonako kude lokushayela tandla kude lo aware. By the time kuphuma that's when people know. So mina ngasikhathi ngikhuluma bese kukhona homework lebese siyendile. Sekuya ngekuvuthwa. Sengithi ke angikusho ngoba as you know thina nawe siyathi I'm a man of faith.
Yeah.
And lesikhathi kufuneka ukuthi idingo ukuthi ikhulume kuze ukuthi itendeke.
Okay.
Nalaba seceleni kwakho batawucala ukukholwa ukuthi ngoba sothi ikhulumile kufuneka ukuthi utendeke. Yebo ke kufuneka ukuthi ungakhuluma umoya.
Okay.
But uyikhulume lento ngekuthi uyayibona in your mind's eye ukuthi itakwendeka. So ke my big objective and ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu because etiko kaCommerce he has blessed me with very talented people, including laba parastaters list now.
Okay.
I'm not suggesting it's perfect.
Yes.
But he has blessed me with very talented people. Uma ngikhuluma nabo baka IPA ngisho ukuthi no, the trade fair has to be the biggest event in the year and the best event in the year. Event.
Okay.
Back understand law. Back embrace law. And nguwe fakazi nesive siyasho ukuthi i-trade fair is back.
Oh, true.
I-glory ye-trade fair lebe siyathi isikhula is back.
Exactly.
But not just back, it's better.
Oh, yes. Okay.
And the reason is there was a strategy to say, what are the elements that will make it better? So there were a few things.
Okay.
Number one, ukuthi sibuyise umdlandla private sector, ukuthi participate in their numbers.
Okay.
But send the standard, sibe setulu, so that everybody wants to participate.
Okay.
Ungamangala ukuthi sithi masivula lokubhalisa kuphela liviki mabili fully subscribed because it's a premium event now.
Okay.
Wesibili asibuyisa ibhola. Why? Because this has to be a family experience.
Yes.
Madvodza nemadvodza nilukuni ulukunde kusitawusuke indvodza uhambe uyohamba letitandi ibuka onke amalanga. But if he's got another reason ukuthi ngifuna kuyawubukela ibhola, ngifuna kuyawubukela ivolleyball, ngifuna kuyawubukela ispark, so sakufaka ke as a complete package. But le bhola is central to our strategy.
Okay.
Because it pulls the family out of the house. And siyathi kusimana bena babe ndaba nemali leningi yokuspenda bana benodwa ndawavalala abanike yona ekhaya babusuke ekhaya athi kudeka imali
ATM ihlale la kubabe
mase nilapha babe ziyaphuma imali. So
Oh, yeah.
we are amazed this year. 70,000 visitors to the trade fair. Amazing. Imali lespendiwe iningi kakhulu. Sive nje ngasatisa ukuthi i-trade fair all these years besiyenda at a loss.
Okay.
Sibe nokuthi nje simane siminimize le loss ukuthi imali ingabe. Because of the strides we've taken now, trade fair is actually as an event, a profit-making event, because the nation is responding to the strategy. Kwekugcina-ke sathi bantwana-ke abamikisa babuke, but you need to entertain them.
Okay.
So-ke sine-partnership nalaba abafaka-ke yonke le midlalo yebantwana ibe khona-ke lapha-ke. So I mean, it's one of the things that we are happy about. Ingwenyama isithume ukuthi let us expand le trade fair ibe inkulu, because right now uyabona lokho ukuthi seyibanjwa ukuthi lenzawo lesinayo seyincane, and that is the kind of problem I'd like to have.
No. we really appreciate my efforts that wendile usosipilo ukuthi ibuyile i-trade fair silesikhulu siyiswa kuyo sesiyayicala kuyenziwa sinayi ngisho hayi lo kwanzi eklasini yofunda namba. We greatly appreciate. Mhlonishwa, abanye abantu bangathi nje uthi comments now sicela usiphe sithombe, what is this ministry all about? Ingwenyama mayithi ngwe yini i-ministry lethe asengigijima kuko?
Simple.
Okay.
I call it the Ministry of Job Creation.
Okay.
I-ministry lekumele ukuthi isebenze nawo onke ematiko ahulumeni, noma i-mining sector ka-natural resources,
okay,
noma i-energy sector ka-natural resources, noma i-agriculture ka-Ministry of Agriculture, noma mahhotela ka-Ministry of Tourism. But thina yethu i-role ukuthi i-private sector i-participate kanjani kule job creation agenda yelive, letawu wenda ukuthi i-economy ikhule. Number one. Number two, MSMEs lesithi bosomabhizinisi labancane bangena kuphi kule job creation agenda ukuze ukuthi umnotho welive ukhule. Number three, ama-cooperatives lesitawukhuluma ngawo afishane, wona angena njani ukuze ukuthi inhlangano tabomake bogogo lemakhaya labasha lemakhaya dikhone ukuthi thathe ama-resources le uma umvabe ngaba yedwa abengeka khona kwenda lokho lese bakhona kwenda mabayinhlangano singena njani kuze kube ngilokho. And then to be able to have an economy that works, that creates jobs, kufuneka ukuthi ukhona ukuthengisa.
Okay.
So ngeke kuthiwa ngi-trade.
Okay.
Lokuthengisa-ke nje sithengisela abantu, sokusho ukuthi-ke ama-trade agreements, creating markets outside the country. Ngeko-ke sisebenza kakhulu bo-SACU, bo-SADC, bo-COMESA, kubo-European Union, kubo-Ngilandi, kubo-America, kubo-Taiwan, kubo-Asia, sakha lama markets elive. Kwekugcina-ke kunetimvo lesitidingako silive. Tifika njani at the most cost-effective way letimvo leti. Solo-ke kunawo ma-trade agreements ukuthi endeka kanjani ukuze ukuthi livela kangwane libe ne-advantage. So in short, i-ministry yokuthi idale umsebenzi, ilitiko laka-Commerce is a central agency.
Okay.
Ngoba lisebenza nawo onke lamatiko. Ukhanza ukuthi kune-project ngiyabekisa yokwakha i-Hilton eMbambane.
Yes.
I-project leyendiwa litiko laka-public service through PSPF.
Okay.
But Hilton as a brand is an investor.
Okay.
So ipaku uyaqhamuka-ke athi Hilton, you can do business with these people in Eswatini. This is why. And then ngidinga ini to make you comfortable. Then ngidinga ini ukuze ukuthi imali yenu ingene eveni. Sesiyabambisana. Mangabe sikhuluma ngeproject yemoba batawufika la batawuta netimali, but kudzingeka ama-cooperatives ukuthi akhona ekuhlanyela lo moba. ngoba bafuna kunika le mali lama-cooperatives.
Yes.
Tiko-ke seliyabafundzisa ka-Codec ukuthi yini kwenta ibhizinisi ni-cooperative. Ngeko-ke sebenta imali sebanemamiliyoni abanye babo. Ngeko sesikhuluma ukuthi lama-cooperative nyalo sekadzinga ukuthi abe nelibhange lawo. Because right now all the banks kaNgwane ngaphandle kwe-Eswatini Bank ne-Building Society lecetha kuthola i-license are South African banks. They reinvest some of the profits here, but most of the profits go back to headquarters. Ngaleli langa sesikhona ukuthi sibe nelibhange lethu ngetulu kwe-Eswatini Bank lema-cooperatives kenyana. Ama-cooperatives asa-onke ana 3.5 billion emalangeni mawubala leti imali labanato nema-assets lanato. Imagine if that were to be brought together into a cooperative bank. Litiko-ke laka-commerce. And then mawufuna kusebenta udzinga industrial space.
Yes.
The industry component ke ithi akube namathapha. So kugcwele amathapha akube nangwenya. Ngwenya uya ngegcwala akube nanhlangano. Inhlangano uya ngegcwala nyalo nje sibhizi sibuka ukuthi sitawudevelop isidokotho. Sisebenzisana neTaiwan, sitawudevelop iPhocweni, sisebenzisana neTaiwan. Kunemadolobha afana nalavumisa namankaya nasebetile kithi ukuthi sesidesignate indzawo nayo itoba industrial park. Sesikufake ebhandeni ukuthi mangabe sitawakhala imisebenzi asibe nalama industrial parks kumende ukuthi asisita asendele nalezi zithi ama-factory shells kulama industrial zones. Naleti inkundla sicale kusitshela lendzawo lena siyibekele i-industry. I think sengisamarize lesikwenda kungakucetha.
No, zokukhayisile. Zokukhayisile Mhlonishwa. Now this now means eMaswati asathi awuphuma emakhaya ngalinye ilanga angagibeli ngisho ibhasi emsebenzini abuye ekhaya.
Munjalo.
The more kune shortage Mhlonishwa uma kunema challenges ema-drugs in the country. Ngabe kukhona ni proposal lephekekako uma letako ukuthi sekubuka ukuthi lokungakhiwa la khaya.
Yes.
Industry ihambelana naloko mhlambe sitawuphuma ku some of lama challenges esibenayo ama shortage ekubhedlela. Ukhona iphupho letako uma labahlongota kungconcotha on those basics.
Bakhona. Mina nje solo ngibe khona la itiko ngiyacabanga ukuthi inkampani zethu endlula kuleti sihlanu letike tangconcotha kithi nasetiko letempilo. Ngoba kunale council etiko letempilo lebese iyabuka ukuthi lona angakwenda yini. Lona angakwenda yini. Njoba ngibekisa nje thina siba i-catalyst ematikweni lahlukene. Ukhanze ukuthi ke mase kufika mangabe nje i-mining company siyayisita bese ke kuba naleyo mining board lebuka kopho. Siyabasita nalaba bese kuba nalaba baka medical council lababuka ukuthi kuyalunga yini. So kwanyalo besisetele enhlanhla ukuthi bonke labafikile mase sibathatha through leti stepsi leti technical le kuleli tiko lelifanele bese bayaphuma ngale ngesheya ukhanze mase kubuthwa imibutho lethite. So in short sisafuna a credible company lengakwenda lo ngoba baningi labafika ngoba batakwenda masothi twe gijima so ubala lo akasanamali akasanama yabo. So kwanyalo sisete kahle a credible company. The reason is simple. Ngoba ungatibuta ngiyabuta ukuthi yini lesizathu.
Yes.
Sizathu ukuthi live la kaNgwane lina 1 million yabantu 1.2. Ngeke uyakhe imali uma utosetapha i-pharmaceutical company to supply 1.2 million. Because le mission yabo idule kakhulu. So kufanele ukuthi mayidule kakhulu uproduce ama-volumes latakwenda ukuthi ubhadale lesikweletu. Le volume ya 1.2 million people incane kakhulu for those reasons. Kufanele ukuthi ke inkampani leti to set up la ibe itawu supply i-region. Hayi nje live la kaNgwane kuphela. So ukhanza ukuthi ke mase bafika basafuna ke lokuthi okay ngidawufika kaNgwane but Botswana utayithatha yini imithi yami. South Africa utayithatha lawo ma processes le kulamave lamanye athatha sikhathi. Lesinyenti. So ukhanza ukuthi labanye bakhona bagcina bangakabuyi nalo doti impendulo. Ugcine kusele dzine la kaNgwane athi umuntu ngidawufaka lo mshini but ngidabo run 1 day a week.
Okay.
ngiproduce wonke lamaphilisi leniwadingayo. So-ke yinto lesisayisebenta na-minister waka-health, but lesikusebentako nyalo ukuthi we want a company that will set up here to supply the local market, but scale up for the international market. And if we can find this company, then we are winning. But kwanyalo sisabuke ama-proposals vele ikakhulu kulolu hlangothi.
So now mhlonishwa njengoba itiko leni mhlambe lingamejwa nangaloko lama objectives afana lawo, mase efikile leyo muntu leyo niyakhona lokuhamba naye nimsupport through all the stages lama ministry lamanye
kakhulu. So IPA benda lokho, and they're quite good at that. Umuntu asimiyekele uthi angafika nje kithi mangabe udinga ilicense yemanti aye Department of Water Affairs, IPA uhamba nayo. Mangabe udinga i-prospecting license aye mining board, IPA uhamba nayo. Mangabe udinga umhlaba ukuthi itiko laka-agriculture lim-afforde umhlaba noma lim-allocate umhlaba, IPA uhamba nayo. Mangabe adinga in ka-ERS, IPA uhamba nayo. Bese-ke le tinkinga longakhanza ukuthi tiyavela sesiyadisebenza-ke. Kungako we are seeing a steady rise ku-economy yethu. Ngoba labanye nkosi baya ku-overlooka lokuthi in the region livela kangwane i-economy yalo ikhula kwenca lamanye. Bomakhelwane nje bethu lesivama ukukhuluma ngabo bakhula between 1 and 2% every year. Thina sikhula between 4 and 6% every year. Mane nyalo lokhu sesey-challenge yahulumende neyelive ukuthi senda njani ukuthi le growth iba felt by everyone, because kwanza le growth laba setulu kule economy value chain, ngoba ngibo lokhanza ukuthi mayikhula basheshe bayibone. Ukhanza ukuthi mine lekithi elwandle solo kuyangifana nayo. So-ke kungako-ke sento nayo i-Citizens Economic Empowerment Bill. Le bill lena say-act actually, Citizens Economic Empowerment Act. Itawuthi kule sector le sifuna eMaswati kuphela. Kule sector le sifuna eMaswati kuphela. Mawuwe kuhamba kule sector le khombisa kwekuthi i-percentage lengaka yalokuthengako ukuthenga eMaswatini. Uma ngabe kungasesiyo i-sector mhlambe kule ndzawo le la lamakhaya nje asifuni nje kubona umuntu wekuhamba, sifuna kubona Swati. And then siphinde sibe nema-incentives now la earmarked strictly for eMaswati. Lokuhle-ke nalo kumnanzi kwekuthi nyalo sesiyawachithela ama-regulations aloko, ngoba lo mthetho sowuphasile sefune siwu-implement. Ku-implement-ke udinga ama-regulations. Lama-regulations-ke ngawateblisha eParliament ebuthemathute nje sekuyaqala-ke kuyasebenza. Lokho-ke kutawenda ukuthi makuthiwa umnotho uyakhula, wonke muntu eve ukuthi umnotho uyakhula.
Mhlawumbe asiwabhicike lawo mhlonishwa indzaba yaka-mining and energy, kokuthi lapho bakhona bafikile unjani siyawina yini lapho, because we seriously need that those two ukuthi aphakame. Kwabalwa kwathiwa kusepopoliwe kunelitshe lini mase wathola bhekele emsebenzi, yebo siyakubona kwenteka ngala kubotshaneni, but akucuba konke kanye mhlonishwa ngabe lapho kuhamba njani?
I-mining, I think induna yaka-natural resources, umntwana nkosi lonkwakhela utawukhuluma nani, I'm sure ukuthi mathute ndake nimvakashele achaze kahle. Mina ngidawukhuluma nje as minister responsible for investments. Lokuhle ngako ukuthi sikhanza ukuthi le interest from the private sector kumayina timbo lakangwane isedulu. Bahlala banebantu labafuna kutomayina laba ababasweli empeleni, ngoba thina baye emachambeke through us bese-ke besibaphasela bona labaningi babo. labanye ukhanza bakhala ukuthi solo ngimile kumele kubitwa i-mining board ngayifake i-application yami. So that's a good problem. Kusho ukuthi le interest ikhona. Number one. And to their credit bayababita babanike i-guideline bese bayabaphasela libhola ukuthi selingakini-ke madoda sesininikile sebentani. Labanye-ke bayaphumelela nje ukubekisa. Labanye ukhanza ukuthi sebakhala ngalokhu sebakhala sawo donathi phela nayo imali seyiphi imali hayi sesicela sale sinika le mali nini sekuyahlekisana-ke ukuthi awu lo phela kube sinemali ngabe sidendele so-ke la ku-mining i-mining contributes between 1 and 2% to our economy. This is not good because emaveni la thrive akumbamba ukhanza ukuthi mining ingetulu kwabo 10% mhlambe bo 20%. Lamanye ke mave njengabo Botswana lokhanza ukuthi vele babusisekile ngema-mine la precious vele le contribution yakhona seyile bo 30-40%. Sineke sisete leyo nhlanhla leyo angibeke kanjalo ukuthi le mining sector ichubeke. But there's a lot of activity driven by the minister and the ministry yaka natural resources to change that. Kwesibili-ke ka-energy ngiyajabula kusho ukuthi sesiwakhiphile ema-purchase power purchasing agreements silive ema-renewable energies lacishe afike ku-200 megawatts. Lotho khanza ukuthi uma ungeda nalo 70-80 megawatts that we're already producing as a country, we're self-sufficient as a country. But-ke litiko laka-natural resources lelikwendile lenathi sikujabulela sika-investment promotion ngoba siye sikuthengise lokho emaveni ukuthi we want to produce for export. So nyalo sesiqale ku-invite-ke bantu ukuthi we want you to come so that we can produce for export. Whether you're looking for clean energy or you are using latest technologies to use coal, but ni purify kuze ukuthi ingangcolisi i-ozone bese niphehla gesi noma ndawulanza igesi eMozambique kunjani. Kulamalanga-ke vele silitiko laka-commerce siyajabula masibona lo mdlandla lokhona ka-natural resources ngoba mkhulu lolotana minister umntwana Nkosi ukuthi bantu labafuna kuphehla gesi abaniketwe lithuba and sine silitiko siyakusekela kakhulu lokho. I-prediction yami le-strong ukuthi kuyawuthi kushaya 2027-2028 sidabe self-sufficient nga-energy eveni laKangwane and then beyond that sidabe se-exporta i-energy.
Ngibeka imnanzi letho Mhlonishwa. Mhlonishwa sibona na indzaba ye-cooperative bank.
Yes.
Bank lekhunywa ngakula malanga Mhlonishwa so sikhanyisele sive ngoba sive sesihlala singasho ukuthi kuphi ngoma kuhle sinevalo naku itolo kune-pension ngala sevana provident funds of pension akumbe kukhanyisa ukuthi lo ibhake leli litawuhluka ngani nalama commercial banks sidingo sawo yini okwakuthinza brief just to bring light to the people.
Kunelive mhlambe labathanza ku-research abangakufunza lo noma ke sithi online laseJalimane. Ufunze nje ukuthi live laseJalimane lithuthuke kanjani. Bese kukhanzile ukuthi live laseJalimane partly lithuthukiswe ngama-cooperatives. Lama-cooperatives athatha the business opportunities bese bayahlangana bakhe lama-business bese ayakhula lama-business agcine athenge ama-properties agcine owner ama-factory agcine angena nje kuma-industries lahlukene nekuhlukana kwawo but le mali ibuyela le kuma-grassroots ngoba lama-cooperatives ale kuma-grassroots. Sihambile-ke siyidinga i-vision yami lengafika nayo ukuthi ngifuna sibe ne-cooperative bank sifunze kulaba baseJalimane. Sathi masikhuluma nabo basemukela ngetandla letimhlophe base kwaba nenhlangano ebitwa nge-DGRV. Lo DGRV acronym igama lesiJalimane ngicela kungalisho ngoba ngalona
Yes.
So baze babathuma ke ukuthi sasale baba ne-office lakhaya,
Okay.
bane-office nje. Bayasisita ke ukuthi what can we learn from le experience emaJalimane siyilethe lakhaya sitawuba nale cooperative bank.
Okay.
So ke sisemkhankasweni waloko. Leli bandla nje likhona nakuleli viki. Nayitolo belise Central Bank laphindze laya nasenduneni yaka-finance, but lokukhulu lifuna ukuthi likhulume nalamaswati la kuma-cooperatives kwekuthi ngeke siyakhe le cooperative bank njengathi eJalimane sifuna kuyakha ngendlela nina emaswati le nifuna kusebenza ngayo.
Yes.
I-cooperative bank ke ihluke ngalokho. Lama requirements collateral ne-security lo wathola uma uye ebhange noma i-FNB, Standard Bank, i-Nedbank, iSwatini Bank ne-Building Society kuyahluka ngala kuma-cooperatives. Ngoba kunale cooperative leyenta ukuthi ngeke wena bese sodlala imali wetfana. Kanti mina mangiye ngiyofuna imali bangethemba ukuthi ngathi ngayithola le mali ngingahambi ngiyolobola lo mfati bese ngisakhona ukubhadala lesikweletu ngiyabekisa ngalokho. Bayathi ukuthi kunale cooperative and the way the cooperative rules are set. Kude umuntu lone power yekwenta lama decisions unilaterally. So imodel lehlukile ngoba yona iyakhona kusebenza i-empowerish emaswati kungabi nale burden lenkulu yokuthi bana ne-collateral as an individual, therefore ngeke u-applyele i-loan successfully ngoba ude i-collateral. Kwesibili ifocusa mbamba kuma-grassroots. Sibili bese-ke baba netindlela tekukusita ngoba utawubuta nje ukuthi but sinato letinhlangano letikhona bo-Eswatini Bank, bo-Fincorp, bo-Youth Enterprise Revolving Fund, nako konke lokukhona loku earmarked to the small guy in the grassroots. But laba be-cooperative bank basebenza nalama cooperatives ukuthi babe ne-wing ye-business development le very grassroots oriented. La kithi sithi grassroots but bonke labantu sibakhanza lapha eBabane. Kepha sithi grassroots.
Exactly.
Laba babaluleke kuma-grassroots mbamba. Le business bayisebente mbamba iphele futhi bente isiqiniseko sokuthi uma ngabe ulima anyanisi, even before uqale nje lokumlima lo anyanisi, sekukhona lo mthengile. Sekushoda nje ukuthi unomdeliver kubhadala. But sekukhona lo mthengile ngoba lokusibulala konyalo ukuthi siyayithola imali yokulima anyanisi. Abole anyanisi.
Exactly.
Sekukhona lo ngasamthengi lebo ucabanga ukuthi utamthenga. But le cooperative bank yenda lokhu lesithi yi-end to end business development, then they fund it. And then they ensure ukuthi itawusebenza. Sicabanga ukuthi itawusebenza ngendlela le unique. Sifiso sami ukuthi uma ngabe ithuba litabe solo nalo by the time ngicetha kuba nguminister waka-commerce sibe sine cooperative bank.
That's nice. Mhlonishwa, isikhathi sethu siyabaleka kepha ngeke sihambe mhlonishwa singakadideki lesitibe emgwaqweni basiyeletela ngato ngethe abangabithi igama la minister comments. Kepha na kunesikhalo kusuvale etshwala ekwaliseni mhlonishwa ingolo nemhlonishwa uma kunemthetho lokadi wabantu ukuthi lotshwala lapha ekwaliseni buvalelene. Manje athi ayoma safuna ahambe isigaba lesithe ayofuna emanti kanti bekathi udane umfula.
Lo ngathi ngivale etshwala angabe yangiphoqa. Umthetho uthi kune liquor licensing board. Yebo ke appointwa nguminister. Le liquor licensing board. Kepha lo mthetho uyasho ukuthi la kule liquor licensing board ungena lo amelele ne-constituency nayo. Ungene lo amelele ne-constituency nayo. kungene lo amelele mina nje kwami ukuthi bese ngiyabamemetela ngiyasayina hambani nisebenze.
Okay.
Minister akahlali nekuhlala kulawo mabandla lawo ama-decisions awo minister akawasayini akawa-endorse.
Okay.
I just get updates.
Okay.
Lenye ngikufune mina ukuthi kubo konke laba kwendile balandzele umthetho yini.
Okay.
Ngikhanzela ukuthi vele cha bayawulandzela.
Okay.
Umthetho-ke uthi uma utawuba nendzawo letsengisa tjwala,
Yes.
kunetimvu letimbalwa lokufuna ukuthi tendeke.
Okay.
Kwekucala kufanele ukukhombise ukuthi le ndzawo la utawuthengisela khona lo tjwala ngeyakho yini.
Okay.
Uma ingeyakho usikhombise ukuthi ngeyakho.
Mm.
Siyakubonga lokho. Kwesibili lo mango la utawuthengisela tjwala khona uvumile yini.
Okay.
Mangabe umango uvumile uyasilethela naku lokubuya kwaphathi bemango bavumile.
Okay.
Kwesithathu uma ngabe kusesiqinisini i-King's consent unayo yini.
Mm.
Uyasilethela naku ikhona.
Okay.
Lesi sikhathi-ke ukhanze isimbo sowunako konke soyasebenza vele.
Mm.
Lo mthetho uphinze uthi mangabe sowuthi iphatha ngendlela ukuthi labo losohlalisane nabo kusho lo mthetho hayi minister.
Okay.
Sebanesikhalo.
Mm.
Bayakhona lokusibhala lesikhalo sabo basilethe hayi kuminister kule board lenkume ngayo.
Okay.
Ibhodi isibuke bese iyabakhulumisa.
Okay.
Uma ngabe-ke lesikhalo sesibuya kulabaphathi bemango kwekuthi lona ilicense yakhe ithi uyavala kasikisi.
Okay.
Nga-12 simkhanza sona akavala. Nga-2 somkhanza sona akavala. Lona kuthiwa kabathengiseli bantwana labangaphansi kwa-18.
Yes.
But bantwana bethu labancane sibakhanza balapha.
Okay.
Sebenta nemikhiba lesingakayitayeli kulo mango.
Okay.
Bayakubhala lo. Bese-ke le liquor licensing board ithuma ama-inspectors.
Okay.
Labayobuka letikhalo.
Mm.
Uma ngabe batikhanza ukuthi tikhona letikhalo. Kwekucala abavama kwenda ukuthi bathi lungisa wena kunene.
Okay.
Mangabe ude lokhu hamba ukuthola.
Okay.
Mangabe ude lokhu hamba ukuthola. Mangabe ude lokhu hamba ukuthola.
Mm.
Mangabe umango baphathi bemango sebathi abasajabuli ngawe lungisa nabo.
Yes.
Mangabe ungakayitholi i-King's consent hamba uyithola.
Mm.
Uma-ke kwenteka ukhanze ukuthi-ke lo mnikati wale establishment sebakhalile labakhalile lo mango usho ukuthi cha sesiyambonga ngoba ibhizinisi yakhondela.
Yes.
ngeSiswati.
Yes. Yes.
Sesiyambonga-ke Thalalisa nale bhizinisi yakhe ngoba sesibathe siyamkhulumisa akasifi.
Mm.
Kude-ke litiko lelingakwenda
Okay.
le bhodi-ke ilandzela umthetho-ke. Ngiloko-ke lokwenteka-ko ngicela kungakhulumi nge-specific place
Okay.
ngoba loku kwenteka etindzaweni letiningi kakhulu ungamangala.
Mm.
La khathi ukhanze khona ukuthi sekufike isikhalo.
Okay.
Sesithi masihlola umthetho uthi isikhalo sithi
Okay.
lungisa kwekunene mawuthi i-King's consent ithole phela
Mm.
umuntu angasayithola.
Mm.
Mangabe ufuna incwadi lebi yemphakathi
Yes.
ithole phela umfaka sayitholanga.
Mm.
Mangabe ufuna i-liquor trading license ithole awusenayo. Vele-ke lo mthetho uthi-ke le board kufanele bese vala lwekunene azalungise. Masalungisile sekulunge konke letimvu lisemthethweni uyabe usuyavuleka.
Mhlonishwa. Sibonga kakhulu mhlonishwa. Sibonga isikhathi sakho mhlonishwa.
Siyabonga.
Mhlambe nawe sogcina uvirus akubabukeli mhlonishwa. Songathi khulumela mhlonishwa mhlawumbe ubone nesive siyayisibona emakhosi ahamba onke lamalanga mhlonishwa athi osifunele amabhizinisi ukuthi wena ukuvudane nawo lamabhizinisi uyaya athi lemsebenzi ento yamakhosi uma kuthinza libhathini bese kuthiwa gijima ndvuna umhlonishwa mhlawumbe akukhanyise lokho eziveni ukuthi kuyini asibongela ngasibongela khona ngayo lo msebenzi lowo mhlonishwa.
Lengingakusho ngosise ngivalelisa. One of the things that has really humbled me kulo msebenzi and also given me a lot of energy i-passion ingwenyama lenayo.
Okay.
Ngikutholela sivisayo emathuba emisebenzi. I can safely say kude lo sebenza kwenza yena.
Okay.
Including ourselves etiko lekufuna ngabe sigijima sitsenkwe kulokufuna nje ukuthi eMaswati athole umsebenzi. Everywhere la hamba khona i-agenda yakhe yinye nje, ziyithola njani amathuba emisebenzi evela kangwane. Kungako nje nyalo sitawuqala i-big industrial park lapha ePhocweni. Later besiyenda nama-Taiwanese lapho kuqashwa khona abantu abanyenti. Kungako kunemabhizinisi lamasha lavulwako onke malanga. Lamanye abuya lengaphandle lapho ingwenyama ihamba khona. So-ke silitiko nje noma futhi singihulumende sicela nje ukutibongela kuyo ingwenyama ngaloku kusebenza kwayo lokungaka. Kusifaka igcozi nansi ekusebenzeni kwethu ukuthi ingwenyama ayikhulumi njengako kuphela but ibese seyigijima ngembili sina sibathe siyayikhanza singayikhanzi. Siyakujabulela lokho. Kwesibili ke sengivala ngicela kubonga Kingdom Online. Siyabonga lokho ukuthi le news outlet yenu yendelo lekwendaba ngoba kungilokunye ukuthi uhulumende akhulume lo ngiyakhuluma ukuthi ngendani. Uhulumende wendani ema-parastatals ethu endani. Kungilokunye ukuthi an independent outlet ithi nali iqiniso. Nange ama-facts. Naku lokwendiwe live. Naku futhi live lelingakwendi kahle. Ngoba akusho ukuthi nizivuna onke mara and ngak-encourage lokho ukuthi ningazivuni onke mara njengoba nenda. But ngiyakubonga lokho ngoba iqale kancane le organization but siyayibona iyakhula iyandlondlobala. Ngiwanxuse le Maswati ukuthi i-source of credible information yakho ngelive akube Kingdom Online because uyakwenda lokho ukuthi alethe balanced reporting but akulethe from a perspective yokuthi inkosi ine vision yokuthi le live leli alibe i-first world country and ithume uhulumende ukuthi ende lokho. Naku ke lokwendekako towards that particular goal, and I want to congratulate your outlet for doing an incredible job.
Siyakakhulu mhlonishwa.
Sengiyahamba.
Soyasikhalisa sosibonga kakhulu. Siyabonga mlaleli ekhaya. Susifollowishe ku YouTube channel yethu The Kingdom Online Networks. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you for your time.
Nginoke maloko thanglo mnyama ngilo senhlambelweni maloko thanglo mnyama ngilo njengenyama yesibanda. Sabela bakubita bakuleta betifene betifana mswato mnyama kulo balthuli. Ingani bakubita lathi indzaba tegwazana kunyane tekubulalana. Bakubita nje sebavele balokhelela ivela komsakandaba basontali balekela. Banemanga kabathi kuthi Mswati imvulele ngenamsindvo. Ingani uyabhulala amakhulu amalangabi. Wablock bomgabe na Shanghala kule Zimbabwe bebabulalana. Ubese umamatela kuthula nakuVladimir Putin umRussia. Ngeke lo mphica abadali wakithi namhlasele bahlethi nje badidekile. Ngisho kulesikhulu lesibiyeni namkhothe lapha esenkala nqabaneni. Isithiyo ngilemhlophe ngilehlule mange emadodza. Emadodza ngilebehlangene eParliament lapha kalobamba. Athi taphuma sahlala emaqoqwana. Ngilele kubabona ke namsakandaba wasobuthi umhlaba lapha esibayini edzidzini. Ufike waqithi emaqoqwana wasakada. Nabone badibela igudvu basele nje bahlethi bathi ngongcile. Mphandleni wakithi ngilo njengelanga. Ilanga lakithi libofela kabongothotheni. Lishise mahehenyane kunyane maphekula sikhuni ngoba ngumlotha. Bayashamsa kandaba basheleti endlini. Nabona bogijimba basalale emakhaya balale emathafeni. Ngilomshumayeli wakithi ngilomlomo uvuthe emalangaphi. Iyakhuluma imbubethi indzebe tembubethi itekathi indzaba telivangeli. Ngilomabhula umlilo ngeBhayibheli besomamatela haleluya eSwatini. Libhube esilibhodlela lapha estadium edzidzini. Ingani kuye kwavumana umyazi wezulu kwezulu. Ikuvumlene nkosi imisizulu kaZwelithini. Sigwaqa sakithi ngilosihle ngileshosha ko. Ngishobuleni ngungulu lemaphi komathe. Ngilele kuthathani bikota komsakandaba wasewelela ngeshaya kwethlwandle. Ufike lapha eDubai evene emaSulumane. Abese uqoboshela tebuqwephesha. Usukela elikhulu angweli konsolela ngeshaya eTaiwan emashayineni. Ufike waqoboshela tekulima. Ngilomthuthukiso omkhulu wakithi waseSwatini. Uvuleta akho evene wayovula netmayini. ingani kuye kwavuleka amathuba emsebenzi kaNgwane banemangala balabasi Mswati mangkhotolwane basho kulo mquphulo galaza timbitathi sala tincince mafuza ngubuka ngeke sabe yatholela emfukwane ingani lamabhala emehle kwabheja umlilo futhi abheja amalangaphi ngiyolithwala la kisela imhlophe kusekwelithwala semangwaneni Mswati ngiyohlala thuka amalahlela avuthako nakho labamphekapheka bocakujaneni bayakupheka bayakuthululwa emsakandaba bahle bakupheka ngishona ngetimbitathi ebelungiphi basuke emagonso bayiwe embasi babuye bajabhileni abathi kuthi Mswati ngumakhosi etive nje inkosi ebusa etiveni ukhwazele kusho ikhwasa ukhwazana kusadakini uye wakhwazana ngekuthula ngisho kumhlabuthangeneni lo manyathelo wakithi unyathelelwa ndlela lwaselekubalekela unyathele lapha eTopia e-Addis Ababa babe sesebakunika isihlalo sekugcina kuthula e-Afrika uyimbubu uyingwenyama mjamathola esinyathi hayethe unophakathi